Q Services, Qwashers, eBay and YouTube. It's okay having a high volume pressure washer, but the problem is what you've got there is problems straight away. You're only as good as your water supply. You've always got to remember that. A lot of problems I come across always in the marketplace is customers that use the HOZELOCK connectors. Normally plastic, these are brass ones. But if you look inside that diameter there straight away, that is restricting the flow on the system. They then have a quarter or half-inch hose feed on a hose reel, and this restricting the flow all the way through. They would then go through the swivel of the hose reel, which would cause problems. Now, what I'm going to show you here is the Nito 6 range. So for a comparison, you'll see the difference in the diameter. So we've got this hose reel that's all set up on a proper metal trolley on the reel itself, not plastic to throw away once it's broken and so on. This is set up, so what we'd have there straight away is we would go to the customer's tap, we'd take this fitting off. We would then be fitting the Nito 6 male onto the tap. Now, we work slightly different way around. Instead of taking the hose reel to the job, what we do is we leave the hose reel with the pressure washer with the van. And we would take this hose off the reel, we'd disconnect that there at that point, and we would connect this Nito 6 with no restrictions into the system. So you would pull the hose off as much as you need to. This is 3/4 19-inch diameter bore, and then what we'd simply do is we would connect this onto there, no restriction, going through the side wall. We're then connecting up to the pressure washer or the tank with Nito 6s. 3/4, and you will connect up there at that point. That's a lead hose. So you won't take your trolley to the job, you do it this way around. So your trolley stays next to your actual machine itself or your vehicle and everything else. But what the most important part is, large diameter all the way through the system. Now even when we go through, we don't use a swivel. So normally you'd have a swivel on here coming out of this 1/2-inch pot. We don't use that. We'll go through the side wall, we use stainless steel fittings on the insert, so there's no corrosion long term or anything else like that. 10-inch wheels on the trolley. If we needed to, this can then come off at any stage and put this on top of the tank. It can be bracketed on the top. Thank you very much. Q Services, Qwashers, eBay and YouTube, and that is 3/4 19-inch. Why struggle with your pressure washer when you can get round it by having higher flow than using an 1/2-inch garden hose to feed your pressure washer? Thank you very much.